We women jiggle between so many things throughout the day, and for that struggle, we need to have healthy gut because healthy gut ensures good immunity. And for that good immunity, I'm going to share with you all a recipe which is easy to prepare with minimal things, and you will definitely like it. Even if you don't like it, you will have to have it because it will give you strong immunity and you will not fall sick. Having this once or twice in a month ensures good gut bacteria and more healthy you. Happy International Women's Day to all the strong women out there. Let's proceed towards the recipe without wasting much time. Let's go to the kitchen and see what I have for you all. For this recipe, for this fermented grill or porridge recipe, I have taken brown top millets. I have roasted it and then I will wash it couple of times and soak it overnight. And this needs to be soaked overnight. We'll keep it covered for at least 8 to 10 hours because these are high in fiber and of course soluble fiber, but it needs to get soaked well. Let's wait for another morning. For preparing ambali or fermented porridge, we need to boil it in almost 4 times more water. If you need, you can put more water later, but don't throw the water in which it has been soaked because it contains some water soluble vitamins which may get washed away. And overnight soaking will make it easier for cooking also. It will take almost 20 minutes, 20 to 25 minutes to cook. I soaked it for whole day, then I cooked it during the night at about 9:30 p.m. As you can see, it has already started getting cooked. These recipes, the millets, I have shown many recipes earlier also, but I have never shown the positive grain recipes. These 5 are the positive grains like brown top, foxtail, barnyard, kudos, and these are the positive grains. These are believed to help you in reversal of diseases. Even the deadliest disease like cancer can be reversed with these if taken regularly. Those who are new to millets should start with this ambali recipe, the fermented one, which will help in the development of good gut bacteria and most abundantly vitamin B12 also. So this will help in good gut health and good immunity, thus helping you in having disease free life. So it's cooked. As you can see, I have switched off the gas and I let it cool for some time, and then we need to cover it with a muslin cloth so that the muslin cloth is porous and this vessel is also porous. Please bear this in mind that whenever you cook millets, especially ambali, you need to cook in clay pots because the clay pots are porous and they help in growth of good bacteria. Don't add any salt or any curd. This is just like the same as setting your curd. Next morning, after 10 hours of fermentation, let us check how it turns out. As you can see, this has set like curd. So here you can add and have it with pickles, or you can have it with the sabzi of your choice, or you can simply have it with curd. This is the best thing you can have for a Women's Day, because this will make you stronger woman. This is my secret recipe to my healthy gut. I thought of sharing with all of you, all the strong women out there, on this International Women's Day. This tastes very good, and on International Women's Day, making your gut strong is a good idea. It will restore all the good gut bacteria and will make your immunity strong. My son made this lassi on his own during his online class. Let me taste this also. Gaurav, you have done such a great job. This tastes so good. Lassi.
Okay.
Gaurav also will eat this and tell you all how it tastes. Come on.
Very tasty.
How is it, Gaurav? Tell me.
Nice.
Gaurav will finish his dalia bowl.
No.
Yes.